I am so excited. I've just received this amazing present from a company called FUUMUUI, FUUMUUI. Three calligraphy brushes, and these are a mix of sheep and wolf hair, which I haven't tried before, so this is my first time. And apparently they have a really good snap, so they come back to position really quickly, and a very nice fine tip, and they're very flexible. Three sizes: large, medium and small, and it comes in a really nice box, and I think I'm going to keep the box and use that as my packaging, because I don't normally keep these boxes. So I've got a beautiful set of calligraphy brushes, and let's see what we can do with them. And also I've got a beautiful set of travel brushes, 4 travel brushes. Let's see what we have here. 4 travel brushes. We've got a, let's see. So we've got a round brush, number 8. Yeah, just make sure that, and it's a screw top, which is interesting. Normally they come as a clip-on, as a clip. A dagger brush, amazing, really nice for leaves and foliage. And what have we got here? A flat brush, very good for line work, you know, with a wash. And I think this is a number 4 round brush. And the beauty is these are sable brushes, and they're fantastic for traveling. And these are for hopefully fine detail work. Let's see what we can do with them. So exciting! One other thing I forgot to mention is a code, a link to my website, and you can use my discount code and you get 10%. So please don't be shy, try them. They're not very expensive. They're about £18 for the brushes, and I think they're about $15 or pounds for the calligraphy brushes. So please head to my website, click on the link and get your discount. Let's see what we can do with them. I'm going to use a strong color like neutral tint, just so that you can see it quite clearly. I'm going to start with this looks amazing, by the way. I'm going to start with the calligraphy pen brush, which is the large. And look, you can get such, that's fantastic. You can go from such fine to, look at that. I can get a really good line, thicker and thinner. I think I'm going to struggle to get much thinner than, or maybe I can. Interesting. But that's actually quite a big brush with a lot of water. Let's try now and see what happens with the medium brush. That looks like it's going to be, again, a nice, consistent, very consistent line. Or let's go thinner now. Or look at this line. That's not bad at all. Who needs a fine liner when you've got these calligraphy brushes, huh? That's amazing. And then let's go for the small and see what that looks like. I have a feeling this is going to be incredibly fine. So that's a normal thickness where I'm pressing quite hard. And then a very fine line. Oh, I can go as thin as I want here. Look. And the beauty is they hold so much water, is that you can go again and again and again. Literally. Very, very delicate. mean, you can get the same length, you can get the same width from a fine liner, but you're not gonna get as many lines out of it, because, and then you can go wider if you wanted. So that's the beauty, is you get a really fantastic range out of these calligraphy brushes. So that's the calligraphy brushes. We love them. Let's see what we can do with our travel set now. So I'm going to start with the dagger brush, and let's just put a load of neutral tint. That looks really, that actually feels really nice. Yeah, look at that. Very, very nice feel. Nice. Very, I like these a lot. You can see where we're going to use them now. And they have a very fine tip to them as well. Not that you need it. Very nice brush, really nice. So that's our dagger brush, and we're happy with this one. Let's clean them well. Now I think this is going to be the number 8 round brush in sable, as we said earlier. Very nice round brush, gives you quite a nice amount of water. Yeah, very good. Very pleased with that. I could easily work with that. Very good snap on it. You know, they come back very quickly. Nice brush, very, very nice brush. Okay, I think I am a FUUMUUI, I think that's how you say it, FUUMUUI convert. I'm definitely going to send them a massive thank you for their lovely brushes. This one, the only thing I can see that there are a couple of hairs that are out, escapee hairs, but hopefully we can put them. What I did with my other brushes is put them in, so this is the number 4. Very nice, again. Lovely, lovely, lovely round brushes. Very nice amount of consistent amount of water. Yeah, I really like that. And they have a very nice straight edge as well. So we like a lot. And then the final one, which is a flat brush. Judging by everything else we've tried so far, it's just going to be just as good, isn't it? I like it when you start to have gaps as you run out of ink, like this. Very nice texture. Very nice. We could do so much with this. So, a definite winner. Thank you so much for FUUMUUI. I'm a convert. I'm going to use your brushes all the time now.